Hello guys, welcome to Campaign Institute, a surgeon of English language. This is M. Chandelier before you. Each of you welcome to our online classes. In today's session, we have to just learn some words, some common words that are often mispronounced. When you mispronounce some words, then you may cut a sorry figure before the intellectual. So from the very today, why not it should be stopped to committing. Okay? So let us go through to learn some pronunciation. Okay? First word, that is pronunciation. This is the word. Even the people are committing some blunder while speaking. Pronunciation. No guys, it is not pronunciation. That is pronunciation. Okay. Basically what happens that means the actual pronunciation can be learned by studying the phonetics, but it is so difficult to go through the phonetics in a very short time. In your offline class I will teach you some phonetics rule which is quite indispensable and essential to learn to ameliorate your English language. Okay. Because right now the phonetic transcription is not possible to be taught. So in online classes, only just I can teach you some general I think rule which you may I think study and you can just get good command in vocabulary. Fine. Let's go through. You are just watching here. The first word is given. Comfortable, आरामदायक. Comfortable, each one knows that its Hindi meaning, that is आरामदायक. But the person who often commits to pronounce, that is comfortable. Is it right, the Sean? Comfortable? No. In comfortable, what happens? The sound of OR means the letter OR are not pronounced. So if you will skip the letter OR, now we have remain comfortable. Now the correct sound is comfortable. Comfortable. Pronounce with me, comfortable. How you will pronounce? Comfortable. Do you feel comfortable here? Do you feel comfortable here? Okay? So that is not comfortable, that is comfortable. That is comfortable. Okay, fine. Let us go through the second word. Second word, that is restaurant. I'm just already written here restaurant, and T-shot something tha, that is a restaurant. Which is your favorite restaurant? Not a restaurant and whatever, you are just giving the mispronounce. Restaurant. Okay? Restaurant. Fine. Now third we have vegetable. In vegetable, the sound of letter E is silent. No need to give the pronunciation of this word. Okay. So E is replaced from here. Then what we have remained? Vegetable. Although this spell will be E, vegetable. Let me write here. Table. Vegetable. Okay, vegetable. Not vegetable, vegetable. Okay. Which is your favorite vegetable? Okay. Now other word we have ASKED. People often pronounce asked. No, it should be the dish Sean should turn into tea. Asked. 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 He asked me. He asked me. Fine. Okay. Now other word which we are frequently using. Maybe that means you are pronouncing this word correctly or not correctly. I am not sure. Let's see. etc. In return, you might write etc. But while speaking, the sound should be it, like this, it, etc. It, etc. Ta should be ta, it, etc. 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 Either in etc. etc. Okay, etc. Fine. Now we have other word, jewelry. The role of E here is nothing. That is not jewelry, it should be jewelry. 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 Abhushan. Jewelry. Okay, fine. Now, let's go with the other word. Other word short is enthusiastic. 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 Pronounce like me, but rapidly you should speak. Enthusiastic. 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 Not enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Okay. Enthusiastic. Joshila. Energetic. Fine. Now other 8 word. Number 8 word we are going to just learn the correct pronunciation. That is photograph. See that the stress on TO. There must have some stress on this. Okay? Photo. Photo. Like in Hindi you are speaking photo. That is photo. Photography. 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 Fine. And again there will be stress on to. Photographer. 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 Okay. Another word. 9th number. Generally you are giving some mispronunciation for this word. That is coupon. I need coupon, 2 coupon, 3 coupon. But it's not guys coupon. That is coupon. Coupon. Okay. Coupon. The correct pronunciation of this word is coupon. Fine. Let's see number 10. That is schedule. It is regarding schedule. 2 different countries has its different pronunciation of this word. First of all, if we discuss about the US, United States of America, then the short should be this word schedule. 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 What's your new schedule? What's your format schedule? But in UK, United Kingdom, okay, means the language which we guys are following in United Kingdom, that is this word sound should be schedule. What should be? Schedule. Okay, schedule. In US, already written schedule, and in UK, schedule. I hope that means you just enjoying today's class, and I hope that means you already come to know every pronunciation of this word. So thanks for today. Okay, thank you so much.